Hi Sam. Today we're going to learn the word
Name.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Name.
means
Name.
in English, but it can also mean
To name.
when used as a verb. The most common use is to refer to a person's.
Name.
Just be careful, though, as in English.
Name.
Can also imply a title, which is a bit different in
Deutsch.
Got it. So how do we use
Name. Deutsch.
grammatically?
Great question.
Name.
Is a masculine noun, so we use the article.
Der.
In the plural, it becomes.
Die Namen.
You can say,
Mein Name ist Sam.
which means,
My name is Sam.
And how would I use it in past tense?
in the past tense, you could say,
Ich nannte ihn.
meaning.
I named him.
For the perfect tense, you would say,
Ich habe ihn genannt.
the imperative form would be,
Nenne ihn.
which means,
Name him.
That makes sense. Is there any interesting history behind the word?
absolutely. The word
Name.
comes from the Old High German,
Namo.
which also meant.
Name.
It has evolved through the ages, but its core meaning has remained quite stable. It's fascinating to see how some words retain their essence over centuries.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Now, let's break down the word.
Name.
It's actually quite simple. It doesn't have a prefix or suffix, but you can think of it as a base word that stands alone.
So it's like a Lego block on its own.
Exactly. It's a complete piece in itself.
Are there similar words in
Deutsch.
Yes, there are quite a few. For example, with the same root, you have,
Nachname.
which means,
Surname.
and,
Vorname.
which means.
First name.
Both use the word
Name.
as their base.
That's cool.
You can also find words with the same suffix like,
Beiname.
meaning,
Nickname.
and,
Spitzname.
which is also.
Nickname.
So, those all relate to names in some way.
Right. And if we think about other related words, you have
Umbenennung.
which means
Renaming.
and
Namensgebung.
which means
Naming.
as well.
That's really helpful.
Let's practice some real-life situations where you might use
Name.
Sure, what do you have in mind?
If you're meeting someone new, you could start with
Wie heißen Sie?
which means
What is your name?
Wie heißen Sie?
perfect. Another situation could be at a doctor's office. You might say,
Ich möchte meinen Namen ändern.
meaning
I want to change my name.
Ich möchte meinen Namen ändern.
Got it.
lastly, while traveling, you could say,
Ich habe meinen Namen vergessen.
meaning
I forgot my name.
Ich habe meinen Namen vergessen.
Now, let's talk about gender memory hints. Since
Name.
is masculine, you can remember it by thinking of it as having a strong presence, like a
Mann.
in a room.
That's a good trick.
Also, many masculine nouns in
Deutsch.
and in e, like,
Name.
which can help you remember.
Are there any special usage notes for
Name.
Yes, it's generally formal when used in contexts like official documents. Common collocations include
Mein Name ist. Bitte schreiben Sie Ihren Namen hier.
which means
Please write your name here.
and
Nennen Sie mir Ihren Namen.
meaning
Please tell me your name.
those will be handy.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What is the article for?
Name.
It's
Der.
Correct. What is the plural form?
Die Namen.
Good. How do you say
I named him.
in past tense?
Ich nannte ihn.
Exactly right. What is the perfect form?
Ich habe ihn genannt.
Perfect. And how do you say
Name him.
in the imperative form?
Nenne ihn.
You did a fantastic job, Sam. Today, we learned about
Name.
its meanings and how to use it in different contexts.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about it.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll feel even more confident using it in conversations.
I will. Thanks for the help.